Success in your career depends on a mix of skills, mindset, and strategy. Here are some key steps to help you achieve it. 1. Set clear goals. Define what success looks like for you. Set short-term and long-term career goals. 2. Develop your skills. Continuously learn and upgrade your technical and soft skills. Stay updated with industry trends and new technologies. 3. Be proactive and take initiative. Go beyond your job description. Take ownership of tasks and propose solutions. 4. Network and build relationships. Connect with colleagues, mentors, and industry professionals. Attend industry events and engage on professional platforms like LinkedIn. 5. Work hard and stay consistent. Show reliability, discipline, and commitment. Deliver quality work consistently. 6. Embrace challenges and adaptability. Be open to change and learn from failures. Take risks when necessary and step out of your comfort zone. 7. Seek feedback and improve. Regularly ask for constructive feedback. Work on weaknesses and build on strengths. 8. Maintain a positive attitude. Stay motivated, even during tough times. Approach problems with a solution-oriented mindset. 9. Balance work and personal life. Avoid burnout by managing stress and maintaining a healthy work-life balance. Take time for self-care and personal growth. 10. Be patient and persistent. Success takes time. Don't give up too soon. Stay focused and keep pushing forward. Setting clear goals is essential for a successful career because it gives you direction, motivation, and a roadmap to follow. Here's how you can set and achieve effective career goals. 1. Define your long-term vision. Start by asking yourself, where do I see myself in 5, 10, or 20 years? What kind of work excites and fulfills me? What impact do I want to have in my field? Your long-term vision could be becoming a leader in your industry, achieving financial independence, starting your own business, mastering a specific skill or technology. 2. Break it down into SMART goals. Each goal should be specific, clearly defined, measurable, track progress, achievable, realistic, relevant, aligned with your vision, time-bound, set deadlines. Example. Cross mark. I want to be successful in marketing. Check mark. I will become a digital marketing manager within 5 years by gaining experience, earning certifications, and networking with industry professionals. 3. Set short-term and mid-term goals. Short-term, 3-12 months. Learn a new skill or get a certification. Take on a new project at work. Expand your professional network. Midterm, 1-5 years. Get a promotion. Develop leadership skills. Transition into a new industry. Long-term, 5+ years. Become an industry expert. Start your own company. Achieve financial freedom. 4. Create an action plan. Identify the steps needed to reach each goal. Set deadlines for each step. Track progress and adjust as needed. Example action plan. Goal. Become a team leader in 2 years. Take a leadership course, 3 months. Volunteer for leadership roles at work, 6 months. Get mentorship from a senior leader, ongoing. Improve communication and decision-making skills, 1 year. Apply for leadership positions, 18 months. 5. Stay focused and adapt. Regularly review your goals and progress. Be flexible and adjust if needed. Stay motivated by celebrating small wins. Staying focused on career success requires discipline, motivation, and the right strategies. Here's how you can stay on track. 1. Set clear priorities. Identify your most important goals and focus on them. Avoid distractions by eliminating tasks that don't align with your career vision. Example. Instead of multitasking, focus on completing one important project at a time. 2. Develop a daily and weekly routine. Plan your day. Set priorities every morning. Use a to-do list or planner. Break tasks into manageable steps. Time block important tasks. Dedicate uninterrupted time for deep work. 3. Manage distractions. Limit social media and phone use during work. Create a distraction-free workspace that helps you stay productive. Use productivity tools like Pomodoro timers or apps like Trello, Notion, or Asana. 4. Stay motivated with a growth mindset. Remind yourself why you started and what success means to you. Keep learning and improving. Success comes from continuous growth. Celebrate small achievements to stay inspired. 5. Surround yourself with the right people. Network with successful and motivated professionals. Find a mentor or role model who can guide you. Avoid negative influences that drain your energy or discourage you. 6. Take care of your health and mindset. Get enough sleep, eat well, and exercise. Your energy affects your focus. Practice mindfulness or meditation to reduce stress and improve concentration. 7. Review and adjust your goals regularly. Set weekly or monthly check-ins to measure progress. If something isn't working, tweak your strategy instead of losing focus. 8. Stay resilient and keep going. Accept that setbacks will happen, but don't let them derail you. Learn from failures and use them as stepping stones to success. How to stay consistent for career success. Consistency is the key to long-term success. It helps you build skills, establish credibility, and make steady progress toward your goals. Here's how you can stay consistent in your career. 1. Set a clear vision and goals. Know why you want to succeed. Define short-term and long-term goals and stick to them. Break big goals into small, manageable steps to maintain momentum. Example. Instead of saying, "I want to be a great leader," set a goal like, "I will develop leadership skills by attending a workshop every quarter and taking on small leadership roles at work." 2. Create a daily and weekly routine. Plan your day the night before to stay organized. Prioritize tasks that bring the most career growth. Use time management techniques, Pomodoro, time blocking, etc. Example. Set a goal to spend 30 minutes daily learning new industry trends. 3. Stay disciplined and avoid distractions. Eliminate distractions like social media, unnecessary meetings, or procrastination. Stay focused on long-term results, not just immediate rewards. Use accountability tools like journals, planners, or habit tracking apps. 4. Keep learning and improving. Commit to lifelong learning. Attend training, read books, or take courses. Seek feedback and use it for growth. Adapt to changes in your industry to stay relevant. Example. If you're in tech, consistently update your skills to keep up with new tools and trends. 5. Build strong work habits. Show up every day and give your best effort, even on tough days. Stay proactive, take initiative, solve problems, and add value. Deliver quality work consistently to build a strong reputation. 6. Find motivation and accountability. Surround yourself with motivated people, mentors, colleagues, and successful professionals. Remind yourself of your why when you feel discouraged. Celebrate small wins to stay encouraged. Example. If you're working toward a promotion, track milestones like finishing a big project or learning a new skill. 7. Take care of your mental and physical health. Avoid burnout by maintaining a work-life balance. Get enough rest, exercise, and eat well to stay productive. Practice mindfulness or stress management techniques to stay mentally strong. 8. Stay patient and persistent. Success takes time. Trust the process. Keep going even when progress feels slow. Use setbacks as learning experiences instead of reasons to quit. Example. If you don't get a promotion this year, keep improving and try again next year. Final thought. Success isn't about quick wins, it's about showing up and doing the work every single day.